Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Soundcore Sport X10 with your Android phone. And to do this, first of all, we have to open this charging case and wait for like 10 seconds until they turns on and move to the pairing mode automatically. So just wait this 10 seconds. You can take a look for these indicators also. As you can see, they are blinking. So it means that they are synchronized right now. Okay, and after this time, we have to just open the Bluetooth settings on our device. Click to pair new device, and from the available devices list, we have to select Soundcore Sport X10. Accept the pairing. Right now, when we are connected, we have to open the Play Store. And here we have to download the Soundcore Uncare application. When we do this, we have to just open this application. And we will be automatically connected. That's how it looks in my case, but if you are not connected automatically, I can recommend you to click right here to add the device, and right now your phone will scan and will check the details of the connection, so we can pick it from the list. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.